Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deals on the Grubhub app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to order food, but you want to prioritize restaurants or fast food places that have deals. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Now, on the top, there's a sort option. This is where you could actually go ahead and swipe to the left and go through all these filters. The one I like using is called offers. So if you click on offers, it's going to show you all the restaurants that have offers available. So this one has two offers. This one has free selected items, $5 off your order of $15 or more. So select the restaurant that you want and the deal should automatically apply, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find deals on the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.